We need to obtain the value of x by solving the given logarithmic equation. So let us begin. So for the first part, that means what we'll do, we'll combine the two logarithms on the left hand side by using a property of logarithm, which is log of a minus log of b. So that's equals to log of a divided by b. This will give us log of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So this is equals to 1. Now, what's the value of 1? We know that whenever the base of the logarithm is not provided, it will be by default assumed to be equals to 10. And we know that log of 10 with a base of 10, that's equals to 1. So that means this 1 can be also replaced with log of 10. And it would mean exactly the same thing. This is done so that we have logarithm on both sides and we can equate it to get x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. That will be equals to 10. Now cross multiplying, we have x plus 1 equals to 10x minus 10. So we'll get x minus 10x. That's equals to negative 1 minus 10. Or we have negative 9x equals to negative 11. Or x is equals to 11 over 9. So this is going to be the solution to our logarithmic equation.